Hello everyone, I am Mathur Morwali and today date is 13 January 2022 and now we have discussed about the uh, difference between assembler, compiler and interpreter. First we discuss the overview of compiler and interpreter. Interpreter. We write the code in Word or Pages. It is hard code, that is it is high level language. In programming language it is also known as source code. Machine uh, program machine does not understand this language. uh, Machine understand only machine level language, which is in zeros and one format. We want to convert the high level language into machine level language. We want to require compiler and interpreter. Compiler and interpreter uh, both are programs which converts into source code into machine level language. Its uh, compiler and interpreter are both are uh, software program, but there are some variation between working process in compiler and interpreter. Now we discuss the overview of assembler. Assembler is a source code convert into object and object convert into machine level language. uh, Assembler converts the source code into assembly language and then it convert into machine level language. Assembler is difficult to uh, debugging. It is less intelligent than compiler. GAS and GNU is the example of assembler. Now we discuss the difference between compiler and interpreter. Compile converts the source code into binary format and interpreter converts the binary code into machine level code. The compiler first scans the whole program and then it converts into machine level code. Interpreter scans one by one line and translate into machine level code. Compiler takes entire program as a input. uh, Interpreter takes single line as a input. Compiler takes very less time as compared to interpreter to execution the program, to compile the program. Interpreter takes more times as compared to compiler to execution the program. Compiler requires more memory than a interpreter to execute the program, and interpreter requires less memory as compared to compiler to execute the program. Compiler works fast as compared to interpreter, and interpreter works slow as compared to compiler. Now we discuss the difference between assembler and compiler. The assembler converts the assembly language into machine level language, and the compiler converts the source code into machine level code. In assembling, debugging is very difficult as compared to compiler, and in compiler, the debugging is very slow than assembler. The output of assembler is in binary format, binary language, and the output of compiler is machine level language. uh, Assembler is the source code of uh, assembler, and machine level code is machine level code is a source code of compiler. So that is all about the difference between assembler, compiler, and interpreter. So thank you for the video.